Hi, I'm Shane.
I'm Deb. This is our son Bailey.
And we're from Poolwerx Kardinya.
We're servicing pools, backyard, commercial and stratas, all the way from Kardinya through to Leeming, Bull Creek, down to Rossmoyne and Shelley.
We have 2 vans on the road and we're specialising in regular and one-off mobile servicing, green pool recoveries, and the sale and service of a wide range of equipment including pumps, chlorinators, filters, pool cleaners, robotic cleaners, heating and pool covers.
When you choose Poolwerx, you get the best of both worlds. Being a small family business, we understand what's important to you and your family. We are backed by Australia's largest pool servicing network and have the training and expertise necessary to get the job done.
Being part of the local community, we're able to have a fully trained, insured and certified technician poolside with you within 24 hours. We look forward to being able to help you with your pool. Please give us a call or get in touch with us online.